Today, we will be discussing how to install the whip hose on a Series 20000 hose reel. A whip hose is a short, flexible connection hose that is easy to maneuver in tight spaces, such as the drum on this reel. It is designed to prevent the working hose from kinking or rubbing, which extends the life of your working hose. Begin by loosening the set screw and drag brake to allow the side frame assembly to slide off. Next, take your whip hose and apply thread sealant to the end. Feed that end through the opening in the drum and out the side where the frame assembly was attached. Hand tighten the hose to the shaft on the assembly by rotating the shaft. Once you've tightened it as much as you can by hand, locate the flat spot on the shaft and use a wrench to fully tighten it. Reinstall the side frame by pushing it back into place, ensuring the set screw lines up with the shaft. Now you can retighten both the set screw and the drag brake. Next, you may need to pre-bend the P-clamp for a better fit. Install the first P-clamp with the rubber portion positioned below the hose. Then secure it by placing the washer and nut on the outside of the spool. Next, install the second P-clamp with the rubber portion above the hose, securing it with the washer and nut on the outside of the spool. Again, you may need to pre-bend the P-clamp for a better fit. Now you're ready to install your working hose onto your Series 20000 hose reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.